Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial where today, I will walk you through Sketchpad from sketch.io. On the left, you can press the cursor-looking tool to select objects on the canvas. To customize the size of the canvas, use Custom Size and change the width or height. This is the Paint tool, allowing you to draw and doodle lines. You can also change the brush, color and line width. Now to the main tool for this lesson, the Shape tool. The Shape tool allows you to add shapes to the canvas. You can choose the shape, size, color and outline width. Here is a quick example of what you can do with the Shape tool. The shapes are stacked in a certain order. Using the Layer tool allows me to move objects in front or behind of other objects. The Clipart tool allows you to add a clipart to the canvas. The Text tool allows you to add text and change its width, height, spacing and font. The Vector Fill tool has a paint bucket icon, which allows you to fill in a color of the background, doodles, shapes and text. You can also zoom in or out using the Zoom tool that has a magnifying icon. When you are done, you can export your artwork by pressing the floppy disk icon. It gives you options on how you want to save and share your artwork. That's it for the video, thank you for watching.